Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can reduce or increase the volume in VN and how you can crop the video as well. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to open the VN. I'm going to open that. So as you can see, the VN is open. Now simply we have to click on the new project. So let's click on the new project, and after clicking on the new project we have to choose the video, that which video you want to use. For example, I want to use this one, so let's select this, and after selecting this we have to click on the next, and after clicking on the next you will be redirected to the page like this. And now simply we have to click on the volume option. As you can see, as the volume, so let's click on the volume. So as you can see, after clicking on the volume option, you have to choose that what should be the volume size, like 72, 70, and normal rate is 100. If you want to increase this, you can also do that, and the volume will be increased like this. So as you can see, the BGM volume is also applied. If you want to use this, you can also do that. If you want to apply to, if you want to apply this setting to the whole clips, you have to click on the apply to all, and this setting will be applied to all clips. And after doing that, simply you have to click on the right button and the settings will be applied. So in this way you can reduce, increase or decrease the volume of your video in VN. I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.